You pray, you complete your Salah, but deep inside you still feel empty. No peace, no real connection, just routine. This video is talking directly to you, and if you stay until the end, what you're about to understand could completely transform your Salah forever. You stand in prayer, you recite the words, but your mind is somewhere else, thinking about problems, notifications, stress, or the next task. When you finish, you walk away feeling exactly the same. No change, no calm, no spiritual satisfaction, and you start asking yourself, why do I feel nothing, even after praying? Allah tells us clearly in the Qur'an that true success belongs to those who are humble and focused in their prayers. Not just those who pray, but those whose hearts are fully present. Here is the truth many Muslims don't realize. You can pray with your body, but your heart can still be absent. And Salah without presence feels empty. Because Salah is not just movements, it is a living connection between you and Allah. Today, many of us are constantly distracted, addicted to our phones, and overwhelmed with stress. So when we stand before Allah, our heart is still attached to the dunya. That's why the prayer feels heavy and leaves us feeling even more empty. What's really missing is Khushu, that deep focus, humility, and presence in prayer. Khushu is when you understand what you're saying, when you feel that Allah is watching you, and when your heart is fully present with Him. Without Khushu, Salah becomes routine instead of real transformation. Here's how to fix it step by step. Slow down your prayer. Try to understand even one verse you recite. Remove distractions before you start. Pause for a moment before takbir and reset your intention with full sincerity. Even applying just one of these steps consistently can begin to change your entire prayer experience. O Allah, bring life back into our prayers. Remove distraction from our hearts. Grant us true khushu in our salah. Let us feel real peace and connection when we stand before you. Make our prayers a source of comfort, not just routine. Aman. Remember this. If you feel empty after salah, it doesn't mean Allah is far from you. It means your heart is being gently called to come closer. If any part of this lesson helped you understand why you feel empty after Salah, or gave you practical hope to improve your prayer, or if you struggle with distraction and lack of connection in Salah, feel free to write it below. I read every message personally, and I make dua for you all. Jazakumullahu khairan. May Allah grant us all khushu in our Salah, fill our hearts with His presence, and turn our prayers into a source of real peace and transformation. Aman ya Rabbal Alam.